Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, uh, we will learn how to implement the hexacode and RGB in Excel. So we will see how to implement hexacode and RGB in Excel. So I hope you can see my Excel here. And first of all, you have to select here. First of all, you have to select the cell and drag it like this. Drag it like this. And if you want to fill a color here, if you want to fill a color here, so what you have to do, just you have to select a color here. So whatever color which you want, you can select here. See, uh, it is selecting. So based upon it, I want red. So I'll select red. See, it is filled. It is filled. All the cells have filled. And here I will drag from A3 to F3. I will drag another thing and I will give green. I will give green. So here from F5 to A5 to F5, I'll give another color, which is red, green, B. So which is blue. So it is RGB, which is red, green, and blue. So this is how we can give the colors to the cells, like multiple cells, by dragging it from A1 to F1 and A3 to F3 and A5 to F5. So here in this way we can fill the color in the multiple cells. So we can fill like this also, like by using hexa code also, by using hexa code also. So how can we do it? Just you have to click on this. You have to click on this. Just go to the more colors here. You can see, right? More colors. Just click on the more colors. And here, see here, it is a standard. So based upon you can give colors like this, and you can go to the customs here. You can go to the customs here. So you can see, right, hexacode. You can see here hexacode. So here you can change the hexacode. So based upon the hexacode, the cells will be selected to the respective color. So first of all, we will drag from A7 to F7, and we will select some hexacode here. Go to the custom, and I will write FFCB05. So it is a hexacode. So it will specify some color. Just click on OK. So it is specifying the yellow color. It is specifying the yellow color. So in this way we can perform the hexacodes. In this way we can perform the hexacode. So in the same way we can implement the RGB also. We can implement the RGB also. So how can you have to insert the values? We have to insert the values. Like where you have to insert it? Just go to the more colors and go to the custom. So here you can see, right, a red, green, blue. So you have to delete it, and based upon your requirement, you can give the numbers. You can give the numbers. I'll give 60, 90, and 166. 60, 90, and 166. So see, based upon the numbers, the respective color is selecting. The respective color is selecting. So this is what RGB is: red, green, blue. So based upon the numbers which we have given in the red, green, blue, the respective the color will be selected here, and you can see the color here. So that color will be copied here. See, click on OK. See, we got blue color here, a dark blue color here. So this is how we can do the hexacode and the RGB by using Excel. So That's it, friends. I hope you understand how to use Excel code and RGB in Excel. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. So that's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.